Hello students, in our today's e-lecture we are continuing with our chapter perimeter and area. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about the questions based on the circumference of the circle. The first question I am taken here. A wire is in the form of a circle with radius 42 centimeter. It is bent into a square. That wire is bent into a square and we have to find the side of that square. See, if I am taking this wire, it is bent in the form of this circle whose radius is given to us 42 centimeter. Now when this wire again reopen and then it bent into form of square. Now what is common between these two figures? What is common between these two figures? That the perimeter of these two figures are same, because the wire which is used to make the circle, the same wire is used to make the square. And this circumference, the perimeter in the term of circle is circumference. The circumference of this circle is equal to the perimeter of this square, because the same wire length is being used. Radius is known to us, so we can find out the circumference of the circle. Radius of the circle is given to us 42 centimeter. So we can find out the circumference. 2 pi r, pi is 22 by 7, radius is 42. 7 6 are 44 into 6, 264 centimeter. Now this 264 is the length of the wire. That wire is bent into form of this square, means the boundary length is equal to the 264 centimeter. And what boundary length in the square is known as perimeter. It means perimeter of square we have find out. The perimeter of square, that is 264. Now perimeter is what? 4 into side. We know that the perimeter of a square is 4 into side, 264. And we can find out the value of the side. 4 being multiplied, go for division in RHS. 4 6 are 66. Now the side of the square, all sides are equal, side of the square and the sides of the square, that is equal to 66 centimeter. Now the next question. The diameter of a circular path is 140 meter. Around it on the outside a path of width 7 meter is being constructed. And if that path has to be fenced from inside and outside, we have to find their cost at the rate of ₹7 per meter. This is a circular path. Now if the diameter of that circular path is given to us, we can find out its radius, that is 70 meter. Now this radius is given to us. Around it outside, the path is constructed of width 7 meter. Yani this width is given to us 7 meter. From everywhere it is 7 meter. Now this path has to be fenced from inside, means this area has to be fenced. And from outside means this area has to be fenced. Now if we look at this figure carefully, what this area is called of this circle, this small circle, is its circumference. And for the bigger circle, again it is its circumference. If we know the radius of this circle, small circle and the big circle, we can find out its circumference. Now radius of this inner circle is given to us. Radius of path, circular path, that is given to us 140 by 2, diameter by 2, 70 meter. So we can find out its circumference. 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 70, 440 meter. Now this distance is given to us 7 meter, and if I am going to add this 7 meter to this radius, we will get the radius of this bigger circle. Radius of path with path, that is 70 plus 7, 77 meter. So we can find out the circumference of the path. 2 pi r. I am going to mention it with capital R. 2 into 22 by 7 into 77. 44 into 11, 484 meter. These two areas has to be fenced. Now total area to be fenced, (440 plus 484), that is 924 meter. And the cost, now cost of fencing is given to us of 1 meter, of 1 square meter, of 1 meter, sorry, not square meter, it's 1 meter, that is ₹7. And how much area we have to fence? 924 meter. 7 into 924, ₹6,468. Now the next question. A racetrack is in the form of a ring whose inner circumference and outer circumference are given to us. We have to find the width of this track. Now this is a track in the form of a ring. This, and we have to find the width of this track. This we have to find out. What is given to us? The inner circumference, this distance is given to us, and the outer, this distance is given to us. In the previous question, we had given the inner radius and outer radius, and we have taken out the inner circumference and outer circumference. But in this question, inner circumference and outer circumference is given to us, and we have to find the radius to find out this width of the track. How we can find the width of this track? If this is the inner radius and this is the outer radius, if I am going to subtract the inner radius from the outer radius, we'll get the width of this track. Now inner circumference is given to us, inner circumference of circle, of track, that is given to us 352, 2 pi r. We know that the circumference of the track 352, the value of pi is 22/7, r is not known to us, we can find out r here. 352 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 2 ones are 1, 2 sevens are 14, 2 6 are, and 22 8s are 176. So this is 56 meter. We have taken out the inner radius, that is 56 meter. We have now outer circumference, that is given to us of track 396 meter. Now for the outer circumference, for the outer radius, I am mentioning it with capital R. This distance is capital R. That is known to us 396. The value of pi is 22/7, and this R we can find it out here. 396 into 7 by 2 into 22. 2 ones are 1, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are, and 22 9s are 198. 9 7s are 63. Now we have taken out the outer radius, L is the inner radius, so we can find out the width of the track. How we can find the width of the track? We'll subtract the inner radius from the outer radius. 63 minus 56, that is 7 meter. So home assignment for today. Home assignment, you have to complete worksheet 5, chapter 11.